Look, this is the steep incline that you have to cover. It's very difficult and you need at least 2 persons. I don't think a 250cc bike could reach there. That is very difficult, and a person who is on solo ride could never do it. You do have your luggage, the weight of yours, and with the addition of bike's weight, you have to cover this steep slope. That's way too difficult.
जल्दी जल्दी छोड़, जल्दी आना, छोड़ इसको. Oof. Yes. Oh, my wrist. Oof. No, don't look there. Don't look on the right side. Keep on your course. Don't look on the right side. Don't look on the right side. Man, check it out. कितनी खूबसूरत है, हाँ? सुभान अल्लाह यार, क्या खूबसूरत नज़ारा है. ये ऊपर तक चला जाए ट्रैक. नहीं, ये तो नहीं जाएगा, वहाँ से जाएगा ऊपर से. सुभान अल्लाह यार, कितना खूबसूरत पानी है ये. Another lake here. Oof. खूबसूरत यार, खूबसूरत. सुभान अल्लाह. उफ, अल्लाह ताला तेरी कुदरत. सुभान अल्लाह यार. उफ, सुभान अल्लाह. Now this is the mountain. Woo! ये है ना वो करामर वाला mountain. This is a lesson. आप जो कुछ सोचते हैं, you could get it. Nothing is impossible. Absolutely nothing. A lot of people ask me not to go for it. A lot many people. Here we go. Here.